Today I'm going to talk to you about AIOps, or the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning within IT operations organizations. Like DevOps, it offers a new opportunity for organizations to speed innovation, advance collaboration, and ultimately improve the quality of applications they deliver to their customers. In traditional IT shops, you'll see a divide between dev and operations teams. And what's typical is that the development team will code an application and then throw it over the wall to operations, who's then asked to monitor it, to instrument the application in some way so that they can gain insight into the performance and availability of the app. But there's a new approach. It's called shift-left monitoring. And this is when you think about monitoring and analytics from the very outset of an app's creation. And when it's built in at that early stage, then you're able to track its performance throughout a software development lifecycle. If we look at traditional approaches to IT monitoring, we find that they're running into a problem that I call the 3 V's. It's the volume, variety, and velocity of data that are being thrown at IT ops teams. And if you consider each of those in sequence, variety, there's just so much different types of monitoring data to collect now. Then there's also just the volume of data. I mean, we've reached the cognitive limitations of a human being. There's only so much a human can process. And then in addition, there's the velocity of data. With the movement from traditional waterfall development methods to DevOps methods, we're seeing the rate of innovation just absolutely accelerate past what, again, a traditional IT ops team is used to dealing with. If we look at machine learning, it's the ability for the system to recognize patterns and then take actions based on those patterns. Artificial intelligence takes that machine learning to the next level. In addition to recognizing the patterns, it can start to notice what remediation steps are taken. And by building a catalog of those steps, begin to recommend approaches for remediation, and maybe even engage in auto-remediation where the system is now self-healing. In order for a company to pursue an AI, artificial intelligence, or ML, machine learning initiative, one of the first things they need to address is the ability to have a common data repository. One of the other considerations for an IT operations monitoring team is whether they've got full insight across the digital delivery chain. Stop for a moment and think about, I don't know, a mobile application and the many different links it must traverse to ultimately render a user experience. It's going to go from mobile, across microservices, containerized applications, maybe even ultimately hit a mainframe. Now, with AI and ML thrown into the mix, it's not just about having insight into the different links, but it's being able to connect them and then turn that into an actionable insight. AI and ML allow you to correlate discrete data sets. They allow you to take samples of performance and availability across a digital delivery chain and connect them. And through that connection, gain new insights into how you can improve that user experience. And AI and ML can offload humans in terms of identifying what is the root cause for poor app performance and enable teams to find and fix those faults quickly before they become business issues. CA Technologies' Digital Experience Insights enables full-stack monitoring, a view across these different tiers of app, infrastructure, and network. And not just a view into each tier, but correlation between the different tiers. The ability to connect a user experience issue to an underlying app, infrastructure, or network issue. This is new, it's unique in the industry. CA Digital Operational Intelligence is a new solution that employs AI and ML methods, artificial intelligence and machine learning methods, to combine and correlate what were previously discrete data sets. CA Digital Operational Intelligence enables you to gather both data from CA monitoring tools, but also third-party sources such as log files. And by combining these different data sets and correlating these different data sets, gain new insights into how you can improve your operational efficiency, reduce alarm fatigue, and ultimately remediate performance issues before they become business problems. If you look at CA APM, CA/UIM, CA Performance Management. These three solutions are regarded as some of the best solutions for monitoring in those discrete environments. What's new is our investment in machine learning and artificial intelligence. It enables a new set of AIOps solutions, the ability to correlate monitoring from those three different tiers of app, infrastructure, and network. We are the first vendor to offer monitoring at scale in each of those three environments, and now the ability to correlate all of that data, all of those monitoring insights from those three different tiers, along with third-party data from log analytics and similar services. This is unique in the industry. It delivers a new level of insight, the ability for you to run your IT organization more efficiently and ultimately deliver a better user experience to your end users.